Yes. Good morning, online students. Am I audible, students? Right. So now it's a time to see to move to the further. So I hope in the previous class we already started with what we started with, how to sort the values, then how to remove the columns, adding the rows, removing the columns, removing the rows, adding the rows. Different type of things we did in the last class. Finding the duplicates and removing, adding records, sorting the values, exporting to CSV file. And I said last class, I sent this type of student marks one.csv file also I sent. Okay. Now it is the time to see to move to that. Come in, ma. So many less students today, boys. Where boys went underground. Hmm? Girls are okay. Good. Girls are good. So I feel that's why girls are always very sincere. Boys, no responsibility. So just roaming here and there. So Bharat, Sadhu, underground boys, underground day. Okay. Anyhow, but it's a working day for us. When you people feel that underground, those who come on Saturday, they are very sincere. There is no doubt in that. Okay. Nitish Kumar, attending online, sir. Okay, good, good boy. Now I'll move to the further. What is our yesterday's topic? I'm about to start. ఏం గుర్తుండదా finding missing values, updating missing values, dropping missing values. That's called working with missing values. That is our topic name. Right. So let us go for new. I'll take this and let me take our regular formula sheet. I will take. I'll go to 9am and pandas. Under that, operations on data frame going on like this. So this is the data. This is the one exporting and all those things. Now we are going to deal with what? Working with missing values. What are the missing values in NumPy or Pandas? You have to understand. Missing values in NumPy. NumPy is or you can write NumPy dot nan. NumPy dot nan. Or you can also write NumPy dot nan or what? NONE. Python missing value is none. NumPy missing values NumPy.nan or NumPy.nan like that. Next, missing value in pandas or pandas.na. Pandas.na. NA. Last class also we used or not? Small NA or capital NA? Capital NA. Good. So how many missing values overall together? 3. One is none, np.nan, pandas.na. Important question. Right. So how to find missing values, we have two functions are there. Multiple functions are there, I mean. So number one function is now. Spell out. Is now. What is the meaning of is now? It's a Boolean function. Is now returns true when the value contains nan or na or none. Returns true. Boolean function it is. Next is called what? Is one more function is what you know? Is null. Is null. Spell out. Is null. Next, the third. I want to go for not now. Not now. Not now. Not now. Spell out. Not now. Not now means is now. Returns what? True. If it is now or none or none. Not now means what? It is working opposite to is now. You know, if is now gives true, not now gives false. If it is NA, not now, false. Is now, true. The is not now are opposite. Next, fourth, is null, opposite. Not null, not null, like this. Like this. Is now, is null, not now, not null. These are called what? Finding missing value. Next, how you can call them? How you can call them? Data frame object dot, data frame object dot is now, data frame object dot, data frame object dot, like this I will write it. This is the one I will write it. This is the one I will write it. Well, so replacing missing values, replacing the missing values, replacing the missing values to be done by two functions. Replacing the missing values can be done by two functions. One is what? Fill now. Fill now. Spell out. Fill now. Right. Next, there is one more function is also there. There is one more function is also there. Replace. Replace. What is the function name? Replace. So what is the syntax here? Data frame object dot fill now. Fill now. And you can go for what? Value you want to fill. Value want to fill. That means you need to specify what you want to fill. What fill now will find what? What are all the nan values are there that will find, and it will substitute what? The value what you are substituting. Are you following? Next, replace. Data frame dot replace. Data frame dot replace. There is a syntax is available. 2 underscore replace is equal to 2 underscore replace is equal to, you are supposed to mention the nan value importance, np dot, for example, nan, or you can mention pd dot na, or you can mention none, and the value you want to fill. Replace with what to what? Nan value or na value or none value with the value you want to fill. With the value you want to fill. And you want to fill. This is about the function called what? Replace. Are you following me? So this is about which function? Fill now. Fill now. One more alternative function is what? Replace. Replace. Now I want to go for, there is one more kind of thing called what? Replace. This is called replacing single value. You can replace the missing value with column also. This is called replacing the complete data frame. You can replace the value with a particular column also. Multiple columns also you can replace. So replacing multiple value in entire data frame object, data frame obj, data frame object, data frame object. Now I'm going to take it. Replacing missing values with a single column. With a single column, I'm going to write it. How to replace the single value with a single column? So I will write it. Data frame object of column name is equal to because you have to immediately reflect that value. Here I need to take it. Here I need to take it. Data frame object of fill now. Fill now. And what is the value? Fill value. Fill value. And we already called on where? Series also. Data frame object of column name is nothing but series only. Series only. Are you following? Right. So next is called what? With multiple column. With multiple columns. I will take it. Multiple columns. With multiple columns. Multiple columns. Multiple columns. So how to go about single column? This is multiple columns. How to go about it? So I'm going to write it. Here I'm writing easy. So here I'm going to write it. Go to the place. Column name 1. Column name 1. I will write what you know. Column name 2. I will write multiple columns here. So I'll write multiple columns means what should I write it? Inner list I need to write. So okay, be careful about students. Comma. Column name 2. Column name 2. So on is equal to same to same. I will take it as what you know. This place I will write it with what? Fill now. Fill now. So you are going to get completely what is the value you want to fill it up, that you are going to get it. So this value dot fill now, of course you want to get it with the multiple column. 1 minute. Okay. So data frame object of column name 1, column name 2 is equal to data frame object of column name 1, column name 2 in those columns, and fill now. You are going to fill the value which you are interested in. So these are the functions we are going to. This is called working with what values? Missing values. Very important, students. Compulsory question. How do you deal with the missing values? What are the functions to deal with the missing values? Tell me. Is not, is null, not now, not null, fill now, replace, replace. Okay. How to remove the missing values? There is a function called a drop now. Drop, D-R-O-P-E, drop now. Drop now means drop the null values. So ఇవన్నీ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలంటే మనం ఎక్కడికి పోకూడదు. To remember all these things, going to underground, going to Sunday ground, all these grounds are going to disturb your brain. Like me, you have to come class కి రావాలి, బుద్ధిగా క్లాస్ కి రావాలి, క్లాస్ చెప్పాలి, ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాలి. Again you need to, as a student, you need to go to hostel, need to close the door, need to open the notes, 24 hours reading. Sleeping, reading, wake up, reading, eating, different time reading, every time reading. అనుకుంటున్నాడు ఒక స్టూడెంట్ చదువుకుంటే ఏమొస్తుంది సార్ అని. సో బై రీడింగ్ వాట్ విల్ కమ్ సార్ అని. వాట్ విల్ కమ్? యూ విల్ బికమ్ extraordinary professional and you will become more salary, that will give more identity in the society. If you become politician also, society will give you for 5 years. After 5 years, behind the bars only. So you want a total power in the life or only for 5 years? All the days same consistency. Shall we go for the example? Right. So Yunus, right. That is a point. So Sandosh, last bencha. English is very dangerous these days. So I'll go to the further. Go to the Jupyter notebook, students. Go to the Jupyter notebook. Now I'll create what is this concept called? Working with missing values. Working with missing values. So coming to this, not changing, students. Examples on working with missing values. Okay. So let us start understanding about the data. Students, import numpy as np, numpy as np. Next I'll go to import. Next I will take it import pandas as pd, pandas as pd. Next is called d is equal to, last class, do you remember? Some example you can take, very big example also you can take. I'm taking very short example here. Like a scores, best of 3 match you are playing. Some of the score you got it, some of the match you did not play. And we are going to say nan values and all those things. Okay now? Are you writing an examination? Subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. Some subjects you are writing, some subjects option you are. Option means what they will write? Nan only. Or they will write null. Or they will write NA. Like that they will write it. So, right, author, on this topic, complex group by operation, interview asked me, give me system test, sir. I will explain group by also. Group by will explain, group by transformations I will explain, group by transformation with apply I will explain, everything I will explain. In Japan kada, I said beginning, whatever the test is coming, it is from my notes. Anywhere else you go, it is from my notes only. Because I decided to take that much deep. Author. So I'll keep your things on the top of this. So I will keep this thing. This is a test. I'll keep on the top of it. I'll keep on the top of it. So group by. So group by. This is a group by. When I show, you will say, sir, group by is left hand, left finger, sir, you will say. I will take Aadhaar card data, Government of India. I want to segregate Telangana population, Andhra Pradesh population, Bihar population, Mumbai population. That means I am grouping by what? State, city kada Mudubavulu. State, Telangana state, Mumbai state. Like that, state wise, I am going to group by. Suppose you take a small data. In a company, you take it. Company people are working on Java, Python, .NET, etc. Group by on what? Group by on job you are working. .NET developer, Python developer. How many Python developers are there? How many .NET developers are there? How many test engineers are there? That is called what? Group by. Are you following? Right. So go to that. Questions like that. Questions that only will come. Read my notes. You will be coming out of the company with a smile face. If you don't come, you can ask me. If you don't come, you can ask me. So that will happen 100%. So let me move to that. Author, I saved your things. I will tell you, ma. Don't worry about it. Questions like that will be coming it. I will go for that. Now I'll go to further here, something like this. Now here you come to this place. Here I'm going to write it. Is equal to. Now I'm going to write. Take the data here. First score, I'm going to take it. First score, I'm going to take. There I'm going to write it, students. Colon, I'm going to take it. 100, 90. Now I'm going to take it. np.nan. Now I'm going to write it 95. I'm going to take it. This is called one kind of value. Next I'm going to write it. Second score, I'm going to write it. Second score, this is called one more type of value. Colon, I will write it. The data called what? I'm writing 30, and next I'm writing, 45, 45, comma, 56. I'm writing np dot nan I am writing. np dot nan I am writing. Comma, I'm writing here. Third score, I'm writing. Third score, I'm writing it. In this case, I'm writing one more kind of values I'm taking. np dot nan I am taking. np dot nan I am taking. Dot nan I am taking. Next I will write it 40, 40, 80, and next I'm taking what 90 I am taking it. Are you following me? Close this bracket. What this is called a dictionary data. Dictionary data, that is. So you can print that D. Already you know dictionary data, how it is. So this is a dictionary data and it is getting printed. So here I'm going to get it. First score, second score, everything is a dict. Now I want to convert into which type? Data frame. So convert, already, convert what data? Convert dict data into what? Data frame. How do you do it, students? df is equal to pd dot data frame of d. So I'm going to write it. Content of df I will write it. Content of df I will write it and try to follow printf of df. And you see that this is called the information about it. This is an information about that first score, second score, and all those stuff. So this is my first score, second score, and all those things. There we are going to have it. What happens here? So nan, this is called first row, second row, third row, and all these things are containing like this. Are you getting me? Now I want to find out what missing values I want to find. So what are the functions for finding missing values? 4 functions are there. So to find which values, missing values, we use what? Is no, come on, next, is null, next, not no, not null. So apply, come on here, I will say df dot is no, what it will give you, mom? It will give you what are all the null values which are present. Boolean array it will come. So observe it, this is called is now, come on, false, false. Next is now, false, is now, true. Next 90, false. Next is called what? False. Next is called what? False. Next is called no, true. Next is 56, false. Next is called like this, is a false. Now below to that also false, and you are getting these values here like this. You are getting this data like this, and you are getting the data like this. Are you following me? Right. This is the one. If you want to find out something like here I am writing dot what I am applying sum. If you find out in first score one now value is there, second score one now value is there, third score one now value is available. Are you following me? This is comes under what concept? Come on, what concept it is? Finding that value now. So I'm going to write it here. I'm going to write it. Just one small attempt I am doing it. Don't worry about it. Access is equal to 0. I'm writing it. So it is going to give you data frame doesn't take this keyword argument here. Okay. So that is simple. I just attempted it. Next I'm going to apply one more function is called what? Null. Is null I'm going to apply. What is that now? Is null. Is null. So see that same type of output will come. Either you can call is no or you can call what? Is null. You can call it. The same output what you got it. So I can write it is no dot sum, you are getting it. Is null dot sum also you are getting it. What you are writing there? So you are writing dot what? Sum. You are going to get it. Are you following me now? This is about the particular part you are getting. Students, I'm going to write it. Print of df you are getting it, and try to find out df of first score, and I'm writing it dot is now. I'm writing it is now. What is coming now? In this first score, what are the null values which are present also you are getting. One particular column, if you want to get it, you can also apply. Single column finding the missing value. Finding the missing value. And you can find how many number of what? Null values are there, you are getting it. How many null values are there? 1. Are you getting me? Right. Something like that. You can also find second score and then third also. Second score also 1 and third score also 1 nan is there. Are you following me now? So here students, and you are going to get this type of data. df of what I am writing it, 0 I am writing it. 0 I am writing it. It is going to give you what? df dot loc I am going to write it. df dot loc. df dot loc. It is going to give you what? First score, second score, that value is coming. Is it a first row or not? Next, D of dot 1, it is going to give you what? First score, second score, this value. This value it is going to come. Are you following me? Now there I want to find out. There I want to find out. Here I am going to write dot what? Is now. I'm trying to apply this. It is going to give you what? Completely false. Are you getting? So how to locate the record? By using what? LOC. LOC dot what? Is now. And I can write it on this to find the number of things. Dot what are you applying? Sum. You are getting no more nan values are there in the row. So what is the question is coming? How to find the number of nans in column? How to find the number of rows in the row? Are you getting it? So these are very, very important. You can apply the same mechanism by using what also? Is null also you can apply. Is null also you can apply. You can apply the value function called what? Is null. Is null you can apply. Is null you got it. And you can find out in the row. In the row you are applying here. Dot what? Sum you can apply. So that also will give you the same thing. So this point, if you understand me carefully, this is going to be complete data, missing values. Replace, that is called to find the missing values. This is the entire thing. This is complete thing. If you want to go for what? Missing values in, these are called missing values in the entire, Babu. If you say I will continue, otherwise I will close my class. Enter data frame object. Data frame object. So here, entire data frame object, I will take it. So here, I will go for like this. How do you go for the row? How do you go for the column? Missing values for what? Column. How do you find the missing value for column? For data frame column. For data frame object column. For data frame object column. I forget how to write it. How to find out? Data frame object of, what is that? Column name. Column name you will write it. Column name. Here also you will write column name. Here also you will write column name. That works opposite to that. This is for a column name. For rows, come on. For row, for missing values, for the data frame object row. Row. Row is located by what? LOC. Data frame object dot what? LOC of what? Row number. That is a row index. Instead of that, I will say what? Index. Here also, I will write as what? Row index. Even you can write also, ILOC also you can write, student. You know, that is ILOC also you can write. Dot LOC. You can write a dot LOC. You can write a dot LOC. So this is called row index. Above one also row index. So row index I will write it. If I don't write all these things, you cannot come to know this. At least I feel that I taught everything to the student. If you go to exam, if the test is coming, you will feel that yes, it is there, everything in the notes. It is my mistake not to read. At least that realization is coming. Next interview you will crack. The one side shock, you need to get it. Shock once you get now, you will open the book and 24 hours you will read. Until shock is coming, you don't know the real meaning of it. Come to the, are you following me now? Go to the place. Here I will apply. In this case, we got it. Even if you go to ILOC also you can apply. ILOC also you can apply. What the ILOC also says, here you go for it. Also getting ILOC dot what you can write. Null also you can write. Null also you can write. So also getting the same answer. Are you getting me? Right. Now I'm going to what? Print off what here? DF. Apply. Not now. Spell out. How do I apply? PD dot. What is this now? Finding. Finding non-missing values. Finding non-missing values by using by using not na, comma, not na, and not null, not null. Start. df dot not now. So opposite result will come. ఇక్కడ నేను మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను మా. So this value, finding missing values, these two, finding non-missing values, these things. Start with. These are the things. Opposite result will come. Start with. Come on. Not now. True. Not now. True. Not now. False. Because it is now. Now means what? None. Next. This is also called a true. This is also called what? True. This is also called a true. And below to that, non-related. Non-related you come. This is called a false. This is called a true. This is called a true. This is called a false. This is called, both of them are what? True, true, you got it. Are you following me? So how to find the total number of not nos? So df dot, what is this now? Sum of. So you are getting first score, second score, third score. You are having three of them are there with a not nos. Not nos. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Are you following me? So how do you find this is for what? By default, what is coming? Column wise. I want to get it by default what? Row wise not nos I want. How do you get it? df dot loc of 0 dot not now. Not now. So you are getting true, 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 false. True, true, false. True, true, false. So there I will get it. In this case, row wise. In first row, how many not nos are there? You are getting that 2. Because it is 2. Only 2 not nos are there, 1 nan is there. Like that I can go for this kind of things. I think you are following me. So like this one can go for it. Like this I'll go to one more here. What is this now? df. Apply. What is the next? df dot. One more thing. What is the function name? Not null. df dot not null. Not null. So it is going to give you same output as like that. Not null dot. Come on. So number of not null values. So I'll write it dot what? Sum of. So you got it. With row wise you want to find df dot loc of 1. 1 dot what? Not null. Not null. So you are getting that. And to find the sum, total values are available here. Dot what here? Sum. You got the answer. Following? ఏం బాబు సార్ ఏదో రాసుకుంటా పోతున్నాడు మనం ఏదో చూసుకుంటున్నామని. ఆర్ యూ ఓకే? ఫాలోయింగ్ మీ? Comfortable? Python is easier, Pandas is easier. Pandas, because you have to write logic there. Because this is going to be easy tool for you. That's why majority of the data analysis, majority is what? Complete data analysis and analytics uses Pandas. Complete guide of Pandas you open and you keep this in one printout, you take it, keep it in your purse, and daily once morning, evening, afternoon, as a doctor I'm prescribing, read daily. So your health is good. Doctor says something that is giving side effect. Savior suggested this. You please follow. You will get more and more knowledge. Are you following? So come to the point. You will comment on everything. Everything is easy. Given that we have to practice it. Thorough practice. Yes. So anyhow, students, let us move to the further. Are you following me? This is a data frame missing values. This is for what? Missing values. LOC. Same thing we will apply what? Not now also we will apply. This is a not null like this. This is also same thing we will applicable for what? Entire object values. This is, I will just carry this and I'll try to put it over here. Anyhow, example I've gone for it to find what? Non-missing values. Non-missing values. What is the function name? Babu, I'm asking you only. What is the function name? Not no. Not no. Again, I will write what? Not null. Not null. What is this now? Column name. Data frame object name dot column name. And these two are available here. This is column name data frame dot not now. Okay, this is available here. This part you remove from there. This part you remove from there. Try to remove. This part you remove. Missing values is concerned. Data frame row. You write this one you remove. And when you come to non-missing values, you write not now and this you remove it. This you take it. Now missing what? Row wise. Non-missing. Non-missing row. What is the value you will write? So here you will write what? Not now. Not now. And next is what? Not null. The other things you remove. So missing values. This also for the entire thing remove. Because I am going to take missing value separate. Row wise. Missing entire column. And missing the row. Not this. This is a perfect. Are you okay? Fine. These many are there for missing the data and all those things. Now I will go to the one more thing called what? This is missing this entire row wise, and the next missing what? Column wise, and next is called missing values of the data frame, missing column wise. This is a missing column wise, missing row wise. Here I will carry one more formula sheet here. Missing, finding non-missing values in the entire object. What is this now? Not now. And next is what? Come on, not null. So I'm not confusing you, I hope. Confusing? No more confused. One is missing values, complete. Missing values column, missing values row. And two things for three things. It is called 6. Complete object for not missing. Not now, not null. Column also, row also. So totally here 6, that's 6. Totally 12, which is very easy. Okay. Now I'm going to enter into that. Aniket, I will send you. Daily I'm sending this page. Daily I'm sending this page. This is going on updating. This is going on. Student, how many lines? 172 lines. And almost if you take this underlines and everything, 20 lines you take it. 150 things are there in your brain or not? Any person knows outside thing going on the road 150 things? మీకు కూడా గుర్తులేవు అనుకోండి. That is a different story. You also not remembering. At least 20 remembering. 20. Who is remembering 20? Raise the hands. 20 remembering. 5 remembering. 5 1 remembering. Okay, let it be, no problem. But when I am a student, when my sir is saying like that, criticizing me, whatever it is, 24 hours, I'll buttify my entire tables. I'll come to the class. I'll tell to my sir, take the formula sheet. Ask me whatever you like, sir. I will tell. So I want to see who will come on Monday. Sir, take my notes, sir. You ask whatever you like the formula, sir. I will tell, sir. I want to see somebody in the class. Who will come on Monday? I don't know. Definitely I know somebody will come in the class. So all boys will come, I know. Tomorrow, Monday, I have to appoint at least 4 or 5 members for taking your formulas. Girls means andaru vachestaru. Sir, ask me, sir, like that. I know. So Monday I will sit over there 9 o'clock and I will wait for you who will come with formulas. I don't ask if you go to inside without saying also, I don't say anything. I will look at. Now Monday I'm planning how many girls I have to brought from lab. Mentors are there. 15 members సరిపోతారమ్మా? 15 members enough to take out the formulas from you? 15 enough or 20? 15 enough? 20? Okay. So I'll go for it. So come to the point back. Now I will go to Pavan Tejas. Some of the boys absent from Monday onwards, sir. No, they won't be like that. So, okay, students, come on to the point. So please take on Monday, the one challenging day. Take this sheet. I will send you this. Take a printout. What is the heading? How to access? How to access? Need not to tell. I'll ask you take a paper and write it. That is, I'm expecting some of you will do. Okay, students. Now I'll go to the next. What is the next one? Replacing missing values. Working with missing values. Finding the missing values. Replacing the missing values. Data frame object dot. Aniket, I'm sending Aniket. I said already to you. Replacing the missing values. What is the function now? Data frame object dot fill now value want to fill. Shall go for that. How to fill that? Now I'm going to take up. Very simple, students. Come on to the point back. Print of what now? DF. So now I want to fill this value. How to fill this value? Now I'm going to write it. Shall I fill the values? So I want to fill the nan values with what? Tell me. I want to fill the nan values with what? 0. I want to fill the nan value with 0. What do you want to fill? Complete data frame object. Now fill 0 value for nan for in enter data frame object. How do you fill? Fill not the df dot fill now. Df dot fill now. Of what value you want to fill? 0. Now I will print. Now I will print. Is it filled with 0 or not? 0. Here 0. Here 0. Here 0. These values are filled with 0. Here 0.0. Here 0.0. All of them are filled with 0.0. Are you following me? Now, if I fill this print of what? DF. What is the value printing? Same. What you will do? Come on. Very good. So I will write it here. Tell me, mom. Comma. In place is equal to true. In place is equal to true. Super. DF. What is happening? This is the values which are coming. Getting me? Easy. Easy now? Right. Good. Now I want to go for first all the values are filled with. You can also fill this with what function? Replace also. Replace also you can do. So how do you go for it? Carry this once again, mom. Carry this object once again. This object I made it permanent now. Bring this object once again. This object you bring it once again. This object you bring it. That I'm going to go for it. I'm going to use it. This case. Reconstruct the object. This is a DF here. Now I want to go for fill the values. Fill the 0 value in the entire object. So fill now is enough for you. Don't need to worry about other function. Come on. PD dot. What is the function name? Replace of. What I will do? Come on. 2 underscore. Already said the syntax now. What is this now? To replace. 2 underscore. What is this now? Replace is equal to np dot nan comma what? Value is equal to what? 0. Value is equal to 0. So pandas module pandas has no function called what? Replace. df adi. So here data frame object dot replace. But I wrote it what here? PD dot. So that's why error. Module pandas has no attribute called replace. So coming to the point of it. So in this case, you are going to get it in this case like this. Is it placed with zeros or not? Yes. Now, Aniket, sir, in Python class, you say that you take interview questions, interview section. So, interview section in the sense, I took mock interview. Mock interview, I said that only. Interview questions means what? Important questions. Interview questions I don't give. Read my total notes. And mock interview means what should people said to me. I said the same thing. And they did not prepare so for that studio room. Still, it is under renovation. Instead of here in the 5th floor of this building, they are doing some new shoot room they are creating. Still, the work is under construction. So I'm ready to take it because once that infrastructure is not there, I cannot do anything now. The KVR is ready to go to any, even on the roadside also I can sit and I can take interview on Python. But it is not good now. We are keeping in YouTube and all. So we should have some type of environment. If that some environment is required. I said no doubt in that. Aniket is saying that. But that room is required. If that room is not ready, I cannot do anything. So that word still there's a balance. There is a pending. Once it is ready, I will take it. Aniket. So don't mind for that. So instead of make it ready, the next moment myself only will take you to that room and I will ask questions one to one. You will sit on one side, I will sit on other side, I will go on asking. But how many people will come to along with me inside the room, I don't know. You will be there, myself will be there, one cameraman will be there. When I am asking question, if you don't answer, there is also problem. Correct? You have to answer it. Like that, you have to prepare and come. Okay, come. Next, I want to go for. Did you understand the replace? Well, so now I will go to one more thing I want to tell you. In this case, I'm going to take up one more thing here. I will write here in place is equal to, when I go to print this now, print of df here once again, it is going to print the original data like. Now, if I want to do that, what I will write here? In place is equal to what I will do? True. So print of what here? df, which is going to come here like this. Are you following me? Getting? Right. Now, if you want to replace, the value called what? Replace. Here I am writing replace. What I'm going to write? 0.0 to what? 11.11. If you want to do it, you can also do it. You can also do it. Not only with nans, you can replace any value with your own thing. Print of what here? df. Print of df. Are you getting 1111 is written or not? Getting my point? Yes. Getting or not? Yes. Coming to the point back, dear students, now I'll bring back to this object. Now I'm going to take up very seriously to thought of doing. This is known as what? Complete nan object. Complete nan object. Now I want to go for first score nan value only I want to fill. For first score nan value only I want to replace. Come on, I forget. How to locate the first score? df of. So 1 minute I will take up replace nan values of what kind of column? First score. How do I do? df of first score that you copy as it is. Don't try to type by yourself. You will do wrong spelling because you don't know spellings along with me also. Come on. Dot fill. Dot what? Fill now. What is that? I need to write what? 0.0. 0.0. So what is happening? 0.0. Only that is coming. Only that is filled or not, ma'am? Filled. If I go for doing that, print of what? DF, if I say, it is going to give you still non-value is available. What to do now? So don't take fill in place is a universal mantra for everything. Don't take it. Think carefully and try to write it. Here I am writing what? In place is equal to what? In place is equal to true if you write it. So go to the place called what? DF. So here we are going to get it. Only for this 0.0 is there. For rest of them are what? Nans are there. Following? Like this. For both of them, I want to go for that. So, Santosh, KVRs are also our batch only. Batch, BACH. Batch. Batch. So I'm also your batch only. No doubt in that. So, but only batches, my batch is a little different. Which batch mine is? Study and remembering batch. Your batch is what? Huh? Which batch? Studying and forgetting batch. All are in one room only. But the difference is different. Difference is something different. Okay. Aniket, sir, I inspire from your commitment. Once you set something, you will always complete it. Thank you, my dear student. But only thing is that mock test, even still it is there in my mind. If they don't know what doing, so what can I do, my dear student? Right. So, right. Sarita, big wall. Sir, I read your Python notes. Just I compared with my faculty notes. So many topics, they have missed it. Thanks for sharing your notes with us, sir. Thank you, Ma Sarita. You go on doing that. I'll give my number also. If any doubts are there, you can send. I will clarify in my lunch time and send WhatsApp message and I'll clarify. Come to the point of it. Now I want to replace. Now I want to replace second score and what? Third score I want to do it. Come on, tell me. Come on, students. DF of, okay, this one you replace with what value? You do with replace of this thing. Replace function. Tell me. Replace the missing value of, here I will take up. Replace nan value of first score. Second score I will take it. Second score. Tell me. DF of, what is that? Second score. I will write it. Second score. Dot what? Come on. Replace of. Come on. 2 underscore. Replace is equal to, come on, np dot what? Nan. np dot nan, comma, value is equal to 0.1. For example, 0.1. What is next? In place is equal to true. In place is equal to true. So, beautiful. Print of what here? Df. So, got it. 0.1. Got it or not? Beautiful. Now I want to go for this third score. Third score is what? None. Third score is none. So I will go to this place. Third score is none. I will write it. Here I will write it. Third score, I will write it. Third score. So beautiful. Third score, I will write it. Anything you do wrong, column name, you will get which error? Key error will come. Key error will come. What is that now? N place is equal to 1.1. In place is equal to true. Print of what here, ma? DF. So got the value called 1.1, 0.1, 0.0. Are you following me now? Right. This is a value I am going to take it. So I will go to this entire thing. Conclusion is very simple. I will back to this once again. I will get back to this value here. I'll carry this now. I'll go to this. Here I'm going to write it. How to replace these values. So this is a DF is printed. Now I want to go for replacing second score and third score nan value want to replace. Second score and third score with nan values. How do you go for it? So replace what? Nan values of multiple columns. Of what? Of second score and third score. Third score I want to replace it. Third score I want to replace it. First replacing that values. Here I want to go for it. So how do you go for it? Today you see how many of them are absent? 241. Actually, it is the 300 students are there. So almost 60 people. 60 people are underground only. Not underground. Saturday means they feel that they are software engineers, CEOs. ఏదో సాధించేసాం మండే టు ఫ్రైడే అని ఫీల్ అవుతూ ఉంటారు. రైట్, లెట్ ఇట్ బి స్టూడెంట్స్. స్టార్ట్ విత్ DF of multiple columns means inner list. Inner list. Second score, don't do any adventure by typing by yourself happily. So comma what? Third score, right? So here like this is equal to dot fill now. What is that? Like this I will write it. Like this I will write it. Comma. In place is equal to true. In place is equal to true. So what is happening? DF of fill now. So it is having something here. See the caveat is documentation of this kind of thing. Second value is equal to fill now of this data. Fill now of this data. So what is happening in that case that we need to know about it? So you need to go for what? Fill now of what you know. 11. So I wrote it. It's correct only, students. It's coming. It's coming. Thing is, fill now is not there. That is comma. I will try to do it. It's coming. So it's coming. That's what it is giving error. I will, if it is not coming, I'll go to next solution immediately. Comma. In place is equal to true. So it is saying some documentation. A value is trying to set on copy of slice from where data frame. Okay, setting with the copy warning is coming. Okay, no issue. This is a warning. To avoid this kind of problem, what we do is nothing to bother about it. I will write it. Remove this fill now is equal to true. Any of this result is going to come is equal to do what? This thing you do it. This thing you do it. So same here you got it. See my dear students, got it. Got it. Print of what? DF. Print of DF. Perfect. ఇటు కాకపోతే ఇటు చూద్దాం. It is not coming this side, we will do this side. Anyhow, I want answer. Answer is coming. So that is saying that syntax warning. Settings with copy warning. It is not able to copy, it is saying. So I think you are following me. So somehow we got it. So Albert Augustine. Now you see, you got the answer. Albert, are you seeing? This is an answer. Are you seeing Albert Augustine here? Answer got it. Right, thanks. Right, Albert Augustine says that, thanks. Answer is there. Coming around. So you have to remember all these techniques for you. So what I'm doing now, I'm filling the single column with a fill now, replace, filling the multiple values with what? Multiple columns. Now I'll go for what? Next, rows. Row wise filling. Row wise filling missing values. Row wise filling missing values. Tell me. Huh? Row wise missing. Row wise filling missing values. What is this example I said? Column wise filling missing values with what? Fill now. Replace. Right. Also I said what? Filling multiple columns, missing values with what? Fill now. With replace also you can do. Okay now? Well, go to the next step. I will go to the next aspect. I will go for it. Carry this object, mom. All of you carry this object. So beautiful examples. This is. Go to this place. Now got it. Now filling or replacing or filling. This is a good word. Filling row wise, row based, missing values. Missing values. Start. I forget. Of df dot loc of 0, 0, 0, 0 dot fill now, fill now, fill now of what? 0, 0, 0 filled. But if we print off what? Df, what is happening? Original data still coming, right or not? In third score 0.0 filled. Now I need to replace it or not? How do you replace? In place is equal to one story. Another story is you can place it in the same place itself. How do you do? Like this. How do you go for it? Here. Fill, comma. What you can do? In place is equal to true is one story. Another story is what? Df of L of 0 is equal to like this. You can write. Are you following me? So, you want to see that? So, df dot LOC of 0 is equal to done. Print of నేను రాస్తాను కానీ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి. This is a 0.0 is coming. Getting me? Now I want to replace these two values. I want to replace. Can I? First you locate these two. How do you get it? Df of what is this now? Come on, 2 comma 3. First 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 is not coming. LOC, okay. Dot LOC. Dot LOC. Got it. First దాన్ని రిట్రీవ్ చేయడం నేర్చుకోవాలి. Retrieved. Once you retrieved, do what? Once you retrieved, go for what? Fill. Fill now. Already you know fill now. Replace you go. Replace, huh? Okay, go to what next? Fill now. First you take fill now of 11.11, comma, in place is equal to what? True. In place is equal to true. If it is not coming, what will do? Yes. Yes. Coming. Coming. If it is not coming, go for what? Original story. Print of what? Df. So, got it. What is happening? In place is equal to not coming. It is not coming. I think it is not coming. Just to check it out up to separately. You do like this. Do this one. What is happening? It is coming. It is not reflecting, students. What do you do? Come on. Here I will do df dot this entire thing. I will take up this entire data like this. Okay. Print of what? Df. Print of df. Are you getting or not? Yes. This is coming like this. Now I will go to last and final conclusion. With all the three things I want to do it. With all the final conclusion I want to do it. This is a df. Now I want to take up. How do you take up now? df of come on 0 colon 0 colon 3 0 colon 3 0 colon 3 dot what? LOC dot LOC. All three are coming. Here also I can do ILOC. All three things are coming. Right or not? Now I will do what? Dot replace of 2 underscore replace is equal to 11.11 11.11. No, np dot what? nan, comma, value is equal to 11.11, that you need to place it into this place. That you take it is equal to like this, right? Done. Done. So print of what here? DF. Print of DF. My dear students, look at all of them are 1111 here. So come on, it is not coming. It is not coming because it is going to be 0 to 3. 0 to 3 means 3 minus 1, 2. Getting 0 to 3 means what? 0 to 3 minus 1, 2. Correct. According to that, correct. So go to the place. I will do that completely. Change the formula. What is the formula now? Do this. Go to this place. Save. Comma what? 4. 4. Actually, 2 is not necessary. 2 is a 2 or 1 now. 1 not necessary. 1 not necessary. But I am taking for the entire thing how to do it. So print of what? DF. What happens? 0 colon ILOC. 0 colon 3. 0 colon 0 colon 4. Both the sides it must be same. Adi. So print of what? DF. DF. ఇక్కడ విషయం ఏం కాదు, ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ రెండు సేమ్ ఉండాలి అంతే, right? So that's all. So it is going to contain what? Same data will be done. Okay now, that's why copy paste is always a danger. If you type it on your own, it will be perfect, correct? So this entire thing is called what? Dealing with which values? Missing values. So come to the replacing missing values. Come on quickly to replace the missing values. Data frame object dot and entire fill now. Want to fill data frame object dot replace. This is the one. Replacing with a single column. How do you do it? With a single column. With a single column. What is the formula? Data frame dot column name is equal to data frame dot column name fill now. With multiple columns, this one you go for it. Replace also I will take, students. Replace also I will take it. Replace example also I will write it. So what is the formula here? Dot what? Replace. Dot replace. What is that? 2 underscore replace is equal to np dot what? Nan, comma what? Fill value. Fill value. So this is called fill value, you are getting it. So this you are following, I hope so. This value. So take care, this type of thing. And this is a bigger formula. I will write in the bracket like this so that you can view entire thing in one line only. This is one thing. Another thing, what is this now? Data frame object of column name of replace fill value. Is it okay? Value. Value is equal to fill value, you can write it. Are you okay? Next, with what next? Multiple columns. With multiple columns. Replacing with multiple columns. How do you do? With multiple columns. Multiple columns. So here, how do you do that? Data frame object dot column name 1, column name 2. Next, data frame object dot fill name. This is one thing. Formula 1. Next is another one is 2. I will take it as a 2. Data frame object of column name. What is the next? Replace. replace. This entire thing I will get it. Replace of. This you will get it. Replace of I will get it. This is the one. Next I will go for what? Same thing. I'll go for what? With Emma, are you okay? If you don't know, just replacing missing values with come on, single row, single row, single row. With ILOC you can take with dot what? LOC, dot LOC. I'll write what is this now? Come on, row index. You can take row index, data frame dot LOC of row index. Same row index I will write it. Row index. I'll write it. Next, you can write even what? ILOC also you can write it. ILOC also you can write it. Dot ILOC. Done. ILOC. Similarly, I'll go for what? Third. This is called third. This is called second. What is this now? In place of that, I'll copy as it is. Here I will write it. Here I will write it. LOC. Dot LOC. Dot what? Replace. Replace. I will adjust it and then you observe like this. Similarly, I will go for what? This entire thing. Go to the place. Fourth one. What is the fourth one here? Replace of LOC. I will write it ILOC. ILOC. This is ILOC. Whatever you have seen it. Replace of any two dots are there. Take only one dot. Replace of value is equal to. Okay. Are you okay? Right. సార్ చూసుకుంటలే మనకెందుకని అట్లా ఉన్నారా? Nothing na? You are interacting with me. Right. Following. Similarly, I'll go for what? Come on. Multiple rows. Multiple rows. A winner will not leave the field. You will be always, you have to watch this. Here I will write it. Follow this. I will add this and see this formula. Tell me, what is this now? Go to the place and try to see. So, you observe it. Go to this place. Data frame object dot LOC of row index 1, row index 2, so on. Row index 1, row index 2, so on. Dot what? Row index 1, row index 2, row index 2, so on. So on. Dot fill now. Similarly, I'll go to what? The other kind of thing. Same thing. I will go to what value there? ILOC. ILOC, I will take it. ILOC. Data frame object dot ILOC. Fill now. Next after that, what is the next? M Babu, Ram Babu. Go to the value called 3. LOC. Index of. What is this now? Come on. Replace. Replace, I will take it. The replace function, I will take it. Here. Replace. Replace. What is that? 2 underscore replace is equal to np dot nan. Not only nan, any value you want to replace, you can replace. Okay. Fill value. That is called value is equal to which value you want to fill it up. 4. Same. ILOC dot this entire one, what I will write it. Of course. From here I hope. This is the one. Same thing. Data frame object of. I will take up. So what is this now? ILOC. ILOC dot of. Same. Here I will write ILOC. That's all. Complete. So in some places I wrote in place also I wrote it. In place also I wrote it. I got అది రాయలేదు ఇంకా నేను. But example it is there. Are you okay? So please take care. And Monday, how many people will come for telling all these formulas? I don't know. I have to call minimum 20 boys, 20 girls. I have to call. So Monday class empty. మొత్తం ఖాళీగా ఉంటదేమో class. I don't know. Anyhow, I put my efforts to keep everything, my dear students. Please don't dilute my aim. I hope everybody will come with positive mind and you will participate in that. Okay. So coming to this place, students, now try to move to the further. Clear? Now I will go for what next? Dropping the missing values. Dropping the missing values. Palakanda sir. Right. Let us move to the dropping the missing values. How to drop the missing values? Now I am going to talk about it. So dropping the missing values. Okay now? Clear? So can I give one small another exercise before dropping the missing values? So dropping the missing values. Dropping the missing values. Dropping the missing values. Before that, I would like to take up one small thing. Write down. Open the notes. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడుందో నోట్స్ ఎక్కడుందో ఏమో ఇప్పుడు దేరా నోట్స్ ఈస్ దేరా రైట్ ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ సో I'm going to take up this. Consider the following problem. First you write down. Consider the following problem. Consider the following problem. So there I will take it. D is equal to. Now I am writing courses. Who is that? Nayak. Shubhakant Nayak. Consider the following problem. You don't write in the chat box. I am saying write in the notes. He is a very good fan of mine. I said write the notes means he is writing in the chat box. గొప్ప గొప్ప వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు నా క్లాస్లో. So please write the notes. Right, open your book. Okay, Subhakant Nayak. Actually, you are a good student. So okay, no problem, ma. Take care. Open your notes and write down. So I am writing courses is equal to courses. Write down courses is equal to colon. I will write it spark. This is spark. This is one small question. So now I will write it Java. Next Scala. Spark and Scala are the languages designed in Python language. And next is called Python. This is called Python. These are called courses. These are courses, my dear students. Next, comma, fees. I will write it. Fees. Now I am writing courses. Fees I am writing. Fees. I'll write fees. Fees I am writing. Colon. Now I am writing. Fees I am writing. 20,000. Comma. Next is called what? np.nan. np.nan or pd.na. pd.na or np.nan, whatever it is. Nan. Next, come on, what is this now? I will write it. 26,000. Next I will write it. 24,000 or 28,000. This is the value for this. Comma. I am writing. Next is called what? Duration. Now I am writing duration. This is called fees. Next is called duration, students. Duration. There I am writing duration. 30 days. Be careful, mom. 30 days. Next is called what, 40 days. 40 days. Next is called what? pd.na. Next is called 40 days. 40 days. 40 days. Okay. Now students, duration is completed. Next is called what? Discount. Discount. Discount I'm writing. So there I'm writing discount. 100 rupees. 1000 rupees, sorry. 1000 rupees. NP dot nan. NP dot nan. NP dot nan. 2500. 2500. NP dot nan. NP dot nan. So here they written none. None. They are writing none. So beautiful. Close. Super example. So what is this is containing? Courses, fees, duration, discount, discount. Okay. Now convert into what you have to convert into data frame. So I'm doing here I am going to write it. Manoj, fees is very high comparison to Naresh Shetty because Naresh Shetty fees is very low. That's what. Shall we increase the fees? Shall we increase the fees? Actually, we are teaching this NumPy Pandas also as a part of Python course only we are teaching. As a part of Python only we are teaching. Very low now. Very low. If you buy one dress by going to some branding shop, branded shop, what is happening? 6,000 will go. But this subject will go. If you go on using, it will be multiplied. So that's what. So shall we increase the fees? Give me. College later kattara 1,40,000, 1,50,000. Okay, students, no problem. We don't do that. Come to the point back. PD dot data frame of what? D. Now I'll go to the course details. This is the data we have. This is the data we have. So Manoj is saying fees is very low. So even our MD says anybody having real genuine reason, give discounts are no problem, they will say. So like that. Sit properly in atla kuchunam. So coming to the point of it, what is happening? Closing bracket. Where is the closing bracket? Huh? Ikkada problem. This is the problem. So this is a problem. So we are having like this. This is a data. So author, sir, please don't increase the fees. Have many on the students. Have mercy on the students. So we are having 100% now. Otherwise, you compare anywhere with this content fees. Very low or not? You only tell me. Low na higher? Very low. So no problem. We don't increase. We don't increase. So Manoj, yeah, after inquired, especially in Hyderabad, I am telling this, sir. That's correct. Manoj, what you are saying is exactly correct. So Aman, Yunus, 40K, 50K in other places without full content. You know, everything you know. College lone em ledu 1,40,000. Then that is only best example. Okay. Now, Palgudi Venu, sir, please increase the fees, but please provide KVR coupon codes with a 20% discount. What to say, students? Come. Okay, now come to the problem. Okay, Venu. So I'm not but that much big person to give KVR coupon codes. I'm like you only. Like you only. Daily I will come to the class. Okay. Albert Augustine. Augustine is saying fees is very less. I am from Tamil Nadu. Albert is also from Tamil Nadu. Right. Okay, students. We don't do that. We'll be always having. We are from student side only. Okay. Come to. Thank you for all suggestions and everything. Thank you, my dear students. Let's move forward. Now look at the problem, all of you. Now I will go for what? Replacing with what? Discount. Now I am asking a question. So coming to the point. Manoj, thank you, my dear student. Come. Now I want to go for provide discount for Python Provide discount. Now I'm asking the question, all of you. Look at provide, provide, or give, discount, discount, discount 500 rupees, rupees 500, rupees 500 for Python course, Python course. Give discount for 500 for Python course. Come on, what you will do? What is the discount for Python course? Come on, mom. None, none. Only for Python I want to go for a discount. Only for Python means you will take column, row na. Very good. Row means what you will locate? Come on, come on. Three, three, three. Are you following me? Right. Come on. Tell me now, all of you. Everybody. df dot loc beautiful of 3 is equal to df dot loc of 3 dot dot. Come on, ma. Fill now of 500. 500. Are you following me? So go to the place of what? df. So what is happening, my dear students? 500 coming or not? Yes. Easy or difficult? Easy. Done. Now I am going to say next. I want to go for provide duration for Scala course. Scala course duration not decided. Provide this. Now I want to go for scalar duration is missing. Please provide the duration for those courses which is having no, any, none, none. What you do? What you do? I will go for which one? Column course, I will go for it. Column. Can I go for column kind of filling the value? Yes, I forget. Come on. df of, come on, students. Duration. Don't type by yourself. Copy. Because spelling mistakes, you don't know spellings, including me properly. Right. Tell me. Come on, ma. Replace. Replace. Okay. Of is equal to duration is equal to, come on, ma. df dot duration dot replace. Okay. 2 underscore replace is equal to pd dot now. చూసుకోవాలి అక్కడ మీరు pd dot now. Come on. Value is equal to some 50 days. Some 50 days. Are you following me? So done. Are you following me? Yes. So print of what? Print of what? df. Print of df. Is 50 days provided or not? Yes. Clear or not clear? Clear. Suppose by mistake, if we go for pd dot no, we will check it. With none also, we will check it once. Okay, now shall we check it? Yes, we will check it. We will check it with a no. If anything, will it be done or not? So this is the data. This is the data. You carry this entire thing with this value also try to do with what now? What is this? np dot what? Nan. np dot nan. np dot nan. Print of what? df. So we can have done. Done or not? So np dot nan, pd dot nan, pd dot no, and are treated as what? Same name only. So check చేసుకుందాం ఒకసారి. Type np dot nan. Which type? Come on, float type. pd dot what? No. Which type this? Both of them are. It is called, one is a float type, One is called a NA type, not applicable type. So they are, even though they are same, but they are replacing time. NP.nan and none nan, all of them are going to contain the same. Okay. So this is the one of the simple testing for it, for making ourselves as, and when you go to an interview, can I consider NA as a nan? You can. Can I consider PD dot now with nan? Yes. Are you following me now? Right. Next up, Java fees, Java discount. Java fees, Java discount. Shall I go for fees and discount to update? So shall we go for multiple values to update? Come on. Can you tell me now? Come on, go to this value. Java related fees, Java related discount. What? Row wise updation or column wise updation? Come on. Tell me now. Row wise. df dot Mudubavulu. Come on. 1 is equal to df dot of what? LOC of 1 dot fill. Fill. What? Fill now. Fill now. Fill now. With what values I want? With what values I want? So two values I want to replace. 1 minute we will do the experiment here. So try to understand. There I will go to, in this fees I want to go for, discount I want to go for. I want to go for doing this. This is, I want this value like this. Fees. Fill now of fees. No, fees if we take it, it will be giving the value fill now. This will give you 1 minute more. 1 minute. This will give you complete value. Under that I will take it what? Under that I will take it what? Fees. Fees. This I will go for it. What is coming? Nan. Okay. Dot. What is that? Fill now. What is that? I will take the value called what? The value called something like 15,000. 15,000. So this is going to have, has no attribute called, this is called only one single value. Yes, this you can directly use it. This you can directly, because I'm directly locating that, is equal to 15,000 of fees. 1 minute. This is what type? First of all, I will print it. Students. This is a float type. Float type. This is dot like this is equal to something like 15,000. So it is going to be directly giving dot LOC is equal to df dot LOC is equal to df dot LOC is equal to, I will write np dot nan df dot fees. 1 minute. Df dot fees is equal to np dot nan. So it is going to give you, that is a nan is going to come in this place. Df dot LOC double equal to nan, you take it. This is the one. There I will write it. In this, I will write fees is equal to 15,000. I will go for it. So this is done. Print of df of, got it? What is happening? Okay. So there it is happening. is equal to nan Java. Try to write this data. Print of df. So it is going to contain all nans are there. Fees is not getting here. So df of fees of is equal to nans LOC of 1 comma no. So this is somewhere else, it's gone. So try to remove this. Now here, up to here, you take care of that. This is also having something like this. You remove it. Working, ma? Madhu Babu, is it working? 1 minute. I will check it out. So if that is working, no problem. This is, I will go to this. This is my data. I want to go for it. What is the Madhu Babu location? df dot LOC of 1 comma column name, our formula. Row and then what? Come on. Fees. One no fees. One no fees means this is locating. Fees. Then what you will do is equal to 15,000. 15,000. So this is working. Print of what? DF. Print of DF. 15,000 working. So beginning only. So I went some direction. Simple. Already where we did that. If we go to data frame, where is that? Data frame dot LOC. Where it is? Here. Here. Simple condition. What is the simple condition? In the simple condition, what you are doing here? 1 comma this locating and updating the value immediately. Go to this place. LOC. Row number comma what? Column name. Row number comma column name. Are you following me? That you are updating the value. Just like an item assignment you are doing. Like that duration also I want to go for it. Come on, how do you go for the duration? df dot, come on, LOC of, come on, 1 comma discount. 1 comma discount is equal to, you can take like this, discount is equal to, I will take it as 1000 rupees. So go to the place, print of df, print of df. This is going to be discount also provided. Are you following me? This is a way like this you can go for it. I think you are following me. So now students, duration plus discount columns I want to get it. So df of, come on, last and final, discount duration. First duration I will take. Next duration I will take. I'll take duration. Next what? Come on. Discount. I'll go to this. Discount. First. Go is equal to, what you will do? Dot fill now. Fill now. Off with what? Fill now. I will go to with what? Something like duration and discount. Because if that is going to have differentiation in that mechanism, go for 1 by 1. Go for 1 by 1. Okay. Discount is different. Duration is different. Since it is going to be different, go for separate. That separation, how to go to do that? So go for the single column. I'm withdrawing that part of taking multiple because it's not taking the same nature of the value. Fill now with what? 35 days. I'm taking that. Next is called what? Discount. I'm going to take it. Discount I'm taking. Here I'm writing discount. Discount. Here also I'm writing discount. Discount. Off I will write it something like 500. So this is the one. Print of what you are writing here? DF. So you are going to get the overall picture of it. So come to this place. Print of DF, print of DF. So I think you are getting this. Follow? So there are different ways are there. This example, try to practice it. Okay now? So like that. All but you can do, you can do. So you can do like that also. You can do. We will do that also. 1 minute you hold on. So I'll go to that also we will check it. That also will check it. So you can locate both of them with that kind of thing according to our formula. So execute. Now you go for what is that? df dot loc of like this. As we go for one now. One is there now. One now. Java fees. One is there now. Java fees. I will take here fees. Fees. And next is called what? Discount. 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 Like that. Fees is called what 15,000. 15,000 and 35 days. 35 days. Try to. Are you following? Discount. DIS. Fees. Double code sending. So this is going to give you some future warning. It is giving some future warning. So this. So it is going to do 15,000 at what? 35 days. Are you following? What more? Fees is coming in the value of duration place. Okay. That 45 days is coming in that place. Okay, that is not the problem, mom. So you can take it as what? Discount. It is coming in the place of not discount to discount, it is coming. It is coming in after fees. What is there? Duration is also there. It is not coming in the same place. 40 days, 15,000. ₹1,000 I will write it. Print of what? DF. So I hope it is okay. Now it is okay. Right. So anyhow, finally you understood, right? Fine. So Sai Varan, sir, for Python, data science and front-end technologies, I got good faculty in the form of you. And on the, so another one on the, and one other, sir, but I'm scared of the faculty for remaining technologies such as framework and database. So all fingers are not same. One finger up, one finger down. We have to adjust with all fingers. So, my dear student, so you have to take care. So now take care. So go to the place. Okay, students. So Ramya Sri, hi sir, this is Sri. How many days it takes to complete the course? Tomorrow is Sunday, you complete the course, and Monday onward don't attend. That's all. So if you want to feel today is the completing the course, you complete it. So tomorrow will I start Matplotlib? No, I have to still I have some topics. So let me complete Ramya Sri. So see mom, I have still some more topics are there. Do that. So very good example this is. Take care, all of you. Now it is 11:05. So time is so running away. Don't miss tomorrow class. We'll take care of it. Right, students? Thank you. Carry on. Monday, don't miss.